Today I discuss Aristotle theory. It is important for electricity. According to Aristotle theory, moving charge produces a magnetic field. That means charge is in motion to produce a magnetic field. Magnetic field is characterized by magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment in the orbit formula becomes NIA. That means any charged particle moves in the circular path in this moving charge to produce the magnetic field. This magnetic field is characterized by magnetic moment. What is the formula for magnetic moment in the charge moving in the circular orbit is M equal to NIA. Here A is nothing but the area of the circular orbit. Now once again I repeat, according to Aristotle theory, moving charge to produce the magnetic field. Here any charged particle moves in the circular orbit, it produces a magnetic field. Magnetic field is characterized by magnetic dipole moment or magnetic moment. Magnetic moment of the circular charged particle formula becomes NIA. Here look here, M is nothing but the magnetic dipole moment. N is called number of revolution or number of turns. I is nothing but the current. A is nothing but the area. This is the circular shape. Area of the circle is nothing but the pi r square. Here, according to electron theory, in an atom, each electron moving circular path around the nucleus. According to electron theory, inside the atom, all electrons revolving around the nucleus in the circular orbit of radius r. Here the charged particle is in motion according to Aristotle theory to produce the magnetic field. That means which will be developed magnetic moment. According to electron theory, magnetic moment developed. First point, due to orbital motion of the electron, due to spin motion of the electron, simply called as magnetic moment developed due to orbital motion of the electron or spin motion of the electron according to electron theory. That means in the chapter magnetic field production, magnetic moment production due to two reasons. One reason is mainly orbital motion of the electron or spin motion of the electron. Okay, here first I discuss according to electron theory, magnetic materials are classified into three types. Once again I repeat, according to electron theory, magnetic materials are classified into three types. The first type is diamagnetic substances or diamagnetism. Second one is paramagnetism. Third one is ferromagnetism. Look here. Here, all of you look here. First one I discuss diamagnetism. In the diamagnetism, these magnetic substances have paired electrons. Diamagnetism. In this substance contain paired electrons. Here first always I discuss absence of applied magnetic field. Absence of applied magnetic field. Absence of, that means magnetic field is not present nana here. Only magnetic metal is there. In the magnetic material, in the diamagnetic material have paired electrons. Here nana, for example, according to electron theory, magnetic moment developed due to orbital motion of the electrons, due to spin motion of the electrons. First, I discuss orbital motion of the electron. Here, in an atom, every electron revolving around the nucleus. Here, paired electrons are there. That means two electrons are there. One electron moving anti-clockwise direction, other electron moving clockwise direction. That means in the paired electrons, according to electron theory, diamagnetic substances contain paired electrons. One electron in anti-clockwise direction, other electron in clockwise direction. Current direction, electron direction opposite. Here electron is in anti-clockwise direction. Current is clockwise direction. Current always opposite direction of the electron. Here also current direction, electron direction always opposite. Current is always opposite motion of electron. Current is always same direction of proton. Here according to this rule, to determine the magnetic moment direction. Here look here nana. Here these four fingers indicate the direction of current, thumb indicate the direction of magnetic moment. Once again I discuss, your right hand is taken, your right hand show in this manner. These four fingers indicate direction of current, this thumb indicates the direction of magnetic moment. In this diagram, here look here then, your right hand, here curling, these four fingers curling, thumb into the board, and here magnetic moment into the board. Here look here then. Here current is here, this is your right hand, this current direction, thumb indicate outward. According to these diagrams, here diamagnetic substance contained paired electrons. One electron moving anti-clockwise direction, other electron moving clockwise direction. So that's why magnetic moment's direction equal and opposite directions. So that's why this magnetic moment cancel each other. That is, net magnetic moment becomes zero. That means simply call as in the diamagnetic substances, in the absence of applied magnetic field, each atom net magnetic moment becomes zero, because in the substance contain paired electrons. One electron moves anti-clock, other electron moves clock. Both the magnetic moments are cancelled. So that's why in each atom net magnetic moment becomes zero. I discuss in the presence of magnetic field. In the presence of magnetic field means here magnetic field present automatically every electron, according to Lorenzo equation, every electron force will be act. Here in the presence of magnetic field, that means applied magnetic field here apply magnetic field is applied. Here, force acting on the charge. Force acting on the charge formula according to Lorenzo, the scientist named Lorenzo, Q into V bar cross V bar. That means here force acting on the electron. Here also force acting on the electron. Here according to direction. Here direction also most important nana. So one electron మీద force increase అయితే అంటే force motion increase చేస్తే other electron మీద force motion decrease చేస్తుంది. That means automatically its speed increases, automatically its speed decreases. So that's why I and a formula Q by T nana. Q by T. T ante time ante distance by velocity. That means here speed increases, automatically current increases, magnetic moment in the chapter NIA. I increases, magnetic moment developed increases. That means here magnetic moment increase M plus delta M. Consequently here electron here and here opposite direction. So here force act opposite, automatically speed decreases, current decreases, other electron have M minus delta M. That means the change in magnetic moment means here M cancel, delta M minus delta M becomes 2 delta M. That means in the presence of magnetic field, magnetic moment developed in an atom. That means simply I say 2 points nana. In the diamagnetic substances contain paired electrons. In the paired electrons, one electron moving anti-clock, other electron moving clockwise. So that's why magnetic moment opposite direction cancel each other in the absence of magnetic field. In the presence of magnetic field, magnetic moment present. According to electron theory, magnetic moment developed due to orbital motion and spin motion. I discuss orbital motion and spin motion. Here paired electrons is there. One electron moves in anti-clockwise direction, other electron moves in spin in clockwise direction. Here also plus M, here also minus M. Automatically it also cancel. Its net magnetic moment 0. That means simply call it in the diamagnetic substance, in the absence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment of each atom becomes 0. In the presence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment present. And this is the here look here now. This is the magnetic field present. This is the diamagnetic substance. Here magnetic moment developed in the presence of applied field, magnetic moment developed opposite to the original field, opposite to the applied field. Which substance nana? This is the diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic substance contained paired electrons. One electron moving clockwise, other electron moving anti-clockwise. Net magnetic moment 0 of each atom in the absence of magnetic field. In the presence of magnetic field, magnetic moment produced in each atom nana, that is opposite direction of the applied field. This is the diamagnetism nana. Next I discuss paramagnetism. In the paramagnetism, look here now. Paramagnetic substances have contained unpaired electrons. That means simply called as single electron. According to chemistry, paramagnetic substance contain unpaired electrons. That means here electron moving in the circular path in the circular path around the nucleus in an atom, and atom inside, electron revolving around the nucleus in the circular orbit. Here magnetic moment developed, and in the absence of magnetic field, here magnetic moment developed. Here nana, this is the absence of magnetic field nana. Here only single electron is there, so that's why here no cancel nana. So that's why magnetic moment developed in each atom nana, each atom. But nana, in the substance contain large number of atoms nana. This is one atom magnetic dipole moment. This is other atom magnetic dipole moment. Here another atom dipole moment. Here another atom dipole moment. Each atom contain magnetic moment in the absence of field. Kani total atoms in the substance here cancel because both are in opposite direction. Here cancel, both are in opposite direction. Here cancel, both are in opposite direction. This one atom magnetic moment, other atom magnetic moment. Both are cancelled, both are cancelled, both are cancelled. That is, net magnetic moment of the substance becomes zero when in the absence of magnetic field. Once again I repeat, here paramagnetic substance contain unpaired electron, that means single electron. So that's why each atom contain magnetic moment, but substance contain large number of atoms. So that's why neighboring atoms magnetic moments cancel. Net magnetic moment of the substance becomes zero. Suppose in the presence of magnetic field, here applied magnetic field nana. This is a paramagnetic substance nana. This magnetic field applied, each atom dipole moment lies in this direction. That means magnetic moment developed in each atom is in the same direction of magnetic field. So here no cancel of magnetic moment. That is, here net magnetic moment not zero in the presence of magnetic field. That means in the absence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment of the substance becomes zero because it will be randomly oriented, some one direction, other direction cancel. In the presence of magnetic field, all magnetic moments is in the same direction of magnetic field, so it cannot be cancelled. So that's why net magnetic moment becomes not equal to zero. Next I discuss important topic, ferromagnetic substance. Ferromagnetic substance contain unpaired electrons. That means here also single electron is there. Here in the absence of magnetic field I discuss. Here no magnetic field is applied. Once again I repeat, ferromagnetic substance contain also unpaired electrons. Here absence of magnetic field, here that means electron revolving around the nucleus. Here also single electron. So magnetic moment of each atom present nana here also not equal to zero. And each atom contain a magnetic moment. Here nana, this is the ferromagnetic substance nana. Here to see here, this region here. Each arrow indicate magnetic moment of single atoms. Here nana, here. This is the ferromagnetic substance nana. Here this is the single atom, neighboring atom. These are the directions of magnetic moment of each atom. Here also magnetic moment of each atom. This one, this region, both the regions cancel and this region cancel. So that's why net magnetic moment becomes zero in the absence of magnetic field. In the absence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment of the substance becomes zero, but net magnetic moment of each atom not equal to zero. ఒక ఆటంకి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఉంది, కానీ సబ్స్టెన్స్ కంటైన్ లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ in this direction cancel, in this direction cancel. So net magnetic moment becomes zero. Here to look the diagram, in this region net magnetic moment is present. In this region also net magnetic moment present. In this region net magnetic moment is present. In this region net magnetic moment is present, and a particular region magnetic moment present, but total substance net magnetic moment is zero in the absence of magnetic field. Which region net magnetic moment is present, that region is nothing but the domain. Once again I repeat, which region magnetic moment present, that region is called as domain. In each domain size is 10 power minus 4 meters to 10 power minus 5 meters. Once again I repeat, each domain contain a magnetic moment present some region. That region or that small place is called domain. Each domain size is 10 power minus 4 meters to 10 power minus 5 meters. Each domain contains 10 power 11 atoms. 10 power 11 atoms. In the each domain contain a magnetic moment. That region, small region, is nothing but the domain. Domain size is 10 power minus 4 meters to 10 power minus 5 meters, and again domain contains 10 power 11 atoms. Next again this ferromagnetic substance placed in the presence of magnetic field. In the presence of magnetic field, each atom its magnetic moment turns in the direction of magnetic field. So in this case total substance magnetic moment is more. So here its magnetic moment more developed. So that's why ferromagnetic substance means in this material more magnetized. This is the topic. Here once again I repeat, according to electron theory, magnetic moment developed due to orbital motion of the electron or spin motion of the electron. In the diamagnetic substance contain paired electrons. That's why paired means two electrons. One electron moves clockwise, other electron moves anti-clockwise. So that's why net magnetic moment zero in each atom. In the presence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment present in the diamagnetic substance. Paramagnetic substance have unpaired electrons, so that's why magnetic moment of each atom present, but magnetic moment of the substance becomes zero because these magnetic moments are randomly oriented. Upper magnetic moment, lower magnetic moment cancel. So that's why net magnetic moment zero in the absence of magnetic field. In the presence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment present. Ferromagnetic substance also have a unpaired unpaired electron. So that's why each atom contain magnetic dipole moment, but neighboring atoms nearer to reach that small space magnetic moment region is present. So that's why that small space is nothing but the domain. Each domain size is 10 power minus 4 meters to 10 power minus 5 meters, and in the domain contains atoms is 10 power 11. That means in the absence of magnetic field, total substance magnetic moment becomes 0. But in the presence of magnetic field, net magnetic moment becomes more nana, because all magnetic moments lie in the same direction of magnetic field. So that's why here more magnetic field is produced. Next class nana I explain differences between para, dia, ferro. Okay.